What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back again with another strategy that is gonna help you swing and scalp volatility indices on almost all time frames. Okay, so on this strategy we're gonna be using the 50 and 200 EMA on the main chart and the Bollinger Bands and the Parabolic SAR on the indicator window. So let me quickly show you the settings so we can jump right into it. Okay, so on the main chart here we have these two moving averages, and then the indicator window we've got the Bollinger Bands and the Parabolic SAR. So let me show you the settings. On the first moving average on the main chart is period 50, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Then this is the black one on my chart. Okay, then click done, and then click this F again and select moving average. The moving average is period 200, shift 0, exponential, apply to close. Then style is, my color is purple on my chart. Then click done. These are the two moving averages. Okay, then on the indicator window, first I added the Bollinger Bands here. Let me show you the settings. Okay, so period it's 12, deviation is 1.200, shift 0, apply to close. Then the color is what? Blue. And then you select levels where it says levels here. Click there, and where there's this pencil here, then I'm gonna be adding these levels here. You can screenshot them from minus 0.5 to 0.1, negative 0.1, and from 0.1 to positive 0.5 here, negative 0.3, negative 0.2, negative 0, okay, up to negative 0.5, then positive 0.1, positive 0.5. You can screenshot them. Okay, then click done when you are finished. Okay, then the Parabolic SAR, these are the green dots here, you can see on my chart. Yeah, there. So step is 0.005, then maximum is 0.5, then color I chose purple. Okay, then click done. Okay, so on this strategy, the zoom level we're gonna be using is when you zoom out to the smallest level like this, and then when you wanna see your parabolic dots much easier, you can zoom in just once to make them more clearer. Okay, but this is the best zoom level to use so that you can see the clearer picture. Okay, so this strategy is quite simple. So on this strategy, we are gonna be using the golden cross on our main chart. Okay, this is the golden cross is when the black line crosses the purple line on the main chart there. Okay, so you trade in line with the direction that the EMA is crossover there. Yeah, so like in this example, they cross over for a sell. Okay, then when they cross over for a sell, then you come back to your indicator window and wait for the parabolic dots to appear on top of the Bollinger Bands here. So using this example here, so wait for first confirmation is the 5200 cross on our main chart there, and then we wait for our parabolic dots to be above the Bollinger Bands on the indicator window. So let me show you the cross here. Okay, so on this entry here, when they started to appear above the Bollinger Bands, we don't take this trade because we didn't have the 5200 cross yet. And then when they crossed here, we wait, we will not be in. Then we will enter somewhere here when the dots started to appear above the Bollinger Bands here on the indicator window. That's when you enter. Okay, so you can use it on all time frames. So here you can see that there's the 5200 cross here. So we're gonna When they cross the 50 and 200 cross for a buy, we're only gonna be looking for buy opportunities, not selling opportunities. Okay, so on this example, when they crossed there, they crossed here, we're gonna be waiting for the parabolic dots to appear below the Bollinger Bands, then we take our trade. Okay, so using this example, when they crossed here, so our first entry will be here when the parabolic dots started to appear below the Bollinger Bands here. Okay, that's our first trade there. Then we hold the trade until we see there are some parabolic dots over here. When they start to appear above the Bollinger Bands, we exit. Then as soon as they come back below, as long as the 50-200 cross is still in line with our trade, with our direction, we take the buy here. So let me zoom in just a little bit so that you can see the parabolic dots better. Okay, so this was our first trade here. We held it up until we saw these parabolic dots here, these ones here. Okay, that's when we exited our trade. Then we waited for the parabolic dots here to come back below the Bollinger Bands here. Then we would enter again and hold it until we see the parabolic dots start to come above the Bollinger Bands here. Then we exit the trade. Then here, when they are above the Bollinger Bands here, we don't enter because it's not in line with the 50-200 cross on the main chart. Okay, the 50-200 cross is suggesting a buy, so you don't trade against the 50-200 cross. Wait for the 50-200 cross to come, then you can enter. So all this you will be entering when the parabolic dots come below the Bollinger Bands here. You enter here and exit when the parabolic dots are above the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so you can see how many entries you could have got here on this entry. The direction was still in bullish biased because the 50-200 cross was in the bullish market, was favoring the bullish market. Okay, so we'll be entering all these trades here when the dots start to appear below the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so this is the 15-minute time frame. So let me show you the 1-minute time frame and the 5-minute time frame. Okay, yeah, all these trades you could have caught them there. Okay, let me show you the 5-minute. So you can use it for scalping. Yeah, for scalping you'll be using smaller time frames, and for swinging you'll be using larger time frames. Okay, so this works on almost all time frames in fact. Okay, so you just have to patiently wait for your 50-200 cross on the main chart and trade in line with the 50-200 cross. Never trade against the 50-200 cross. Okay, so here we've got our 50-200 cross here for a buy there. Okay, then we're gonna be looking for Parabolic SAR dots to appear below the Bollinger Bands here. There, you can take a trade there and kill the trade when you see the some parabolic dots here. That's when you zoom in when you don't see them quite clearly. Okay, so you take the trade here and exit here when you see the parabolic dots there. Then patiently wait for another trade, so you can enter again here when they appear below the Bollinger Bands again and kill the trade there somewhere here when they crossed there, when they started to appear above the Bollinger Band. Exit and then enter again when they appeared below the Bollinger Band. So on this strategy, all you have to do is trade in line with what? The EMA cross. Okay, just patiently wait for the 50-200 cross, then you can start looking for your parabolic SAR to cross above or below in line with the AMA trend. Okay, let me quickly look at step index. Okay, 15-minute time frame. So here we've got our 50-200 cross here for a bullish market. Okay, there. Then we're gonna start looking for Parabolic SAR to cross below that the Bollinger Bands here. Okay, so 5200 crossed first confirmation. Then when the Parabolic SAR start to appear below the Bollinger Bands, take the trade. Here you could have entered here, exited when they started to cross above the Bollinger Bands, entered again here, and exited there, enter again here. So you only look for bullish market in when they crossed for a sell, the 5200 cross for a sell. You wait for the dots to appear on top of the Bollinger Bands here, and take the trade. Just so for all your confirmations, you just have to wait for the 5200 cross, then wait for the Parabolic SAR dots to appear below the Bollinger Bands, and then take the trade in line with the EMA cross. Okay, so if you follow the rules, this strategy is quite simple. No confirmation, not much confirmation needed, but very good profits. Okay, so if you like the content that I'm sharing, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can see whenever I post content like this.